This is part 3 of our Harrop Supercharger Kit upgrade on the Toyota 86, and in part 1 and part 2 we showed you the components, we showed you how they're going to fit. Well, as you can see now, we've got the kit fitted in place. Check out our previous videos, you can understand it. You can see how neat and how close a tight fit it is, even just the clearances to the top of the compressor for the air conditioning. And of course you can see at the front here where we're talking in the previous video about how the throttle body fits. Now what I want to show you whilst we've got it in assembly, so this is the O-ring that's supplied in the kit to seal the throttle body. I'll put that over there, and I'll show you here. You can see in high side here we talked about the vacuum lines that go into this chamber, which creates vacuum for the relative parts that the engine needs. And you can see right inside there the screws for the compressor assembly that generates the boost. So if you can see right down inside there, you can see them turning when the engine operates. So the other thing that we've got to do is included in the kit is an additional idler, which goes at the bottom here, which we haven't fitted yet, with this longer bolt and assembly to increase the position of way the belt runs. And the kit also comes with a new high performance belt, which replaces the original factory belt. And then we'll start assembling the front of the car, and we'll talk about how effectively the front mount cooler or the charge cooler assembly fits in the front of the bumper bar, and then the rest of the parts before we get the engine assembled and start up. So check out our other video, but in the meantime, make a comment, share this video. Love to hear back from you. Stay tuned for the next update.